I'll be honest, I am not loving how cold it is today. It's proper frosty. I think it was about -4 degrees when we were driving up to the little lay-by where we park. It is cold. But I shouldn't moan too much, because the fact that it's cold means that there is a clear sky. And a clear sky hopefully means it's going to be nice and sunny. So I would pick cold and sunny and good light for photography over cloudy and miserable crap flat light. So we're on for a good start so far. If you have just started watching this episode number 2, and you haven't watched episode 1 yet, you might be wondering what the heck is going on. Although you've probably figured it out from the thumbnail and the episode description. But I am a wildlife photographer. I'm down in Dorset today looking for hares. This is a location we came to a couple of weeks ago. We did manage to find hares, got one okay photo and some rubbish video. But we're heading back up to the field today. It's about a 20-minute walk from the van. We're going to sit and wait and watch and see what we find. I said in the last video that the first trip was a bit of a scouting mission. So we didn't really bring any chairs or camo or anything like that. We were just trying to see if the hares were there. This time we are hoping to get some good photos today. So we have actually bought my camo poncho and a little chair to sit on, because I'm too old to be sitting on the floor. It's another wonderful morning in Dorset. I'm trying to show you what the fields look like. I don't know if you can see that very well. Frosty and foggy. We're currently walking up to the tree line where we're planning to camp for a little bit. And between us and the trees, Angie's just spotted a hare in the distance. It's way too far away to get a photo or a video, but it's cool to see it so early in the day. The trouble is we've got to kind of walk near it now, so we're going to walk around the path around the edge of the field. Hopefully it won't scare it away. I can just see it sat on the edge of the field in the dirt. I think it's a hare. It's surprising how often you think it's a hare. It turns out to be a pheasant, which makes no sense because they're very different animals. Yeah, it's definitely a hare. I can see it running. Awesome start to the day. So I think we found our first hare. It's in the middle of the field that we walked past. So I can talk. It's in the middle of the field that we've walked past quite a few times. We've been sat here for like a quarter of an hour now, just watching and see what's happening. I noticed this little brown lump in the middle of the field that you don't really notice because it just looks like a clump of grass. It just looks like a clump of grass. But I had a little look in the camera, zoomed in, and it's definitely a hare. It's just kind of hunkered down and sat there. So we're going to just sit here for a while, try and stay really calm and quiet and not move. Basically wait it out, see which one of us gets bored first, the hare or us. I'm not sure if you can see me properly because the sun's on the camera now, but the hare has become a little bit more active. It's kind of sat up, started grooming itself. Hopefully it's a sign that it's a bit warmer and it's going to kind of start running around in a minute, because it's friggin' freezing here at the moment and I'm starting to feel it in my bones. I'm not sure how much longer I can sit here really. But we'll wait it out a bit more, see what happens. Hopefully it might run towards us. Might get some photos. But we've definitely seen a hare again, so that's 2 episodes out of 2 so far. So that was worth the wait. The hare came towards us in the grass, stopped to eat out of a little blue bucket on the floor. I don't know what was in it. And it waited for a few minutes and then it ran off back up the hill. So it's miles away now, but I think I got one good photo that I'm actually really happy with. I mean, I haven't seen it on the computer yet, so if you guys don't see it, then it's obviously not very good. But we're going to head back to the van now because we are both absolutely freezing and shivering and our fingers are numb. Even though it looks really sunny, it is actually still really cold. So that's it for episode 2. I'm enjoying it so far. Hopefully you guys are. If you've got any comments, let me know. I'll see you back in episode 3, hopefully pretty soon. Ciao.